Woodworking projects that sell, 19 most profitable ideas. 19 woodworking projects that sell like hotcakes. If you're serious about starting a woodworking business from home, then you'll need to know what wood items sell best. To help you out, I've trawled through Etsy trends, Amazon homemade bestsellers, as well as Pinterest buying data to uncover the most profitable wooden crafts to build and sell based on demand. These are the best things to sell on Etsy, Amazon, craft sites, as well as at traditional craft shows and markets. Before going into the video, discover the world's largest database of 16,000 woodworking projects with step-by-step plans, even if you don't have a large workshop or expensive tools. Click the first link in our description to get access to the plans. 1. Wooden gift signs. Wooden signs are highly giftable, especially when personalized with someone's name or details. Plus, they can be made for pretty much any occasion, and they're fairly easy to batch create the basic outline shape. Wooden gift signs can retail for anything between $5.99 to $19.99 plus, depending on how intricate the work is. 2. Personalized wooden keyrings. Adding a personal photo inside a wooden keyring using a resin layer is a quick and easy wooden craft to sell. Perfect for beginner woodworkers. Personalized wooden keyrings can retail for $10 plus, and often become bestsellers relatively quickly. 3. Personalized home decor, plant potters. Wooden home decor sells extremely well on platforms such as Etsy, Artfire, and Shopify. However, the reason these plant potters sell extremely well is because of personalization. Potential customers know that if they went to their local garden center, they wouldn't be able to find plant potters with their family name engraved on them. Personalized home decor can retail well into $50 to $100 plus, depending on the item. 4. Personalized wooden spoons. If you're searching for easy woodworking projects that sell, it doesn't get much more simple than engraving wooden spoons. Personalized wooden spoons are bestsellers on Etsy, and make perfect gifts for budding and amateur bakers. If you're not too keen on making the wooden spoons yourself, you could even buy the spoons at a wholesale price and simply offer an engraving service. 5. Children's dollhouse decor. Whilst there are many children who would prefer a PlayStation 5 to dollhouse decor, there are just as many children who love to pretend play with wooden figurines. In January 2021, Google Trends reported global searches for dollhouse mansion, IKEA dollhouse, and build your own dollhouse reaching breakout status, which is brilliant news for sellers looking to branch out into this lucrative niche. 6. Children's wooden toy puzzles and learning aids. True woodworking moneymakers, children's wooden toy puzzles and learning aids are hot sellers. As a former educator and current Etsy seller myself, I see firsthand how more and more parents are searching for learning activities that involve less screen time. It's probably why this seller, Busy Puzzle, has sold more than 233,000 units of her simple, but colorful wooden toys. 7. Wooden world maps and wall art. Catering to people's hobbies and faith-based interests, such as traveling the world or going to service, is a clever way to make woodworking projects that sell. With some simple woodworking tools such as a power engraver and jigsaw cutter, world maps and wall art is an easy woodworking project for beginners. 8. Novelty garden furniture, wooden teapot birdhouse. When it comes to wooden crafts to sell, many sellers would assume a typical wooden birdhouse would sell. However, the reason this wooden teapot birdhouse is a bestseller is thanks to its uniqueness and novelty value. Not only would it look amazing as a piece of garden furniture, but it's also an incredibly easy wooden craft to make and sell. 9. Namecrafts. Namecrafts are becoming increasingly popular, with homeowners seeking ways to make their living space more personal to them. Take this simple wooden name outline. It's an Etsy bestseller and looks perfect on a bedroom wall, or even as a celebration accessory. Wooden name signs, depending on size, can sell for anything between $15 to $35 a piece. 10. Personalized wooden gifts. Similar to the wooden spoons, offering a common household item that can be personalized with a special message or someone's name dramatically increases the item's value, and opens your business to the lucrative gift market. This hammer is a perfect gift for Father's Day, for example. 11. Wooden birthday cards. More and more people are searching for ways to make special birthdays even more memorable. A wooden birthday card does exactly that. Wooden birthday cards, whilst not widely known, do become bestsellers, as is the case with this one, and can retail for $10 plus per card. 12. Luxury pet beds. The global pet industry is estimated to be worth $202.6 billion by 2025. Dogs are often highly catered for, so if you're looking to stand out in a less competitive niche, Making luxury cat beds or beds for small animals and rodents could be just as lucrative. Remember to cater for all sizes of animals, be it dogs, cats or rabbits. 13. Raw craft materials. One thing's for certain, if you can't make the products, you can at least make good money selling the raw materials to other people who can. Supplying raw craft materials can be an extremely lucrative business idea, especially on online platforms such as Etsy, where the best-selling category is raw materials and craft supplies. 14. Ecobaby Accessories. Baby items with wooden accessories are a growing market. Take this pacifier for example. The wooden trim and beads make this a perfect gift for new parents who are more eco-conscious or prefer to use wood instead of plastic for health reasons. Make sure to double-check your country's trading standards in relation to selling baby accessories. 15. Christmas tree ornaments. Christmas tree ornaments are always a hot seller from September onwards, with sales rapidly increasing in the first 2 weeks of December. Whilst this is a seasonal item to offer, it's important to note that the most highly profitable and successful woodworking businesses often offer at least 2 to 3 items year-round, to prevent any seasonal trends dampening their profits. Wooden Christmas tree ornaments can retail for anywhere between $5 to $15 a piece. 16. Wooden buttons. Wooden buttons are a surprisingly lucrative business idea, especially in relation to children's clothing and vintage fashion items. Wooden buttons can be styled and customized to pretty much any look, and that's what makes them so unique. Wooden buttons can retail for anywhere between $5 to $10 a set. 17. Wooden shelves, unique. Doing a quick search on Etsy will highlight just how competitive this niche is. The key to selling lots of wooden shelves online? Discover how to make your shelves stand out. How can you make your shelves different from those you can find in IKEA or other homeware stores? Can you offer a rustic-looking shelf? A luxury one with gloss? A personalized children's bookshelf? A vintage-looking one on a budget? 18. Wooden tray caddies. There's lots of room for creativity with wooden tray caddies. From bath tray caddies to breakfast-in-bed style caddies to children's pretend play sensory bins, wooden trays are incredibly versatile and lend to lots of product customization. The good news? Wooden trays can be bought wholesale, if you prefer to source your materials pre-made. 19. Wooden crates, unique. Wooden crates don't have to be sold as wooden crates. In fact, I'd recommend not doing this. Why? With some simple engraving tools, you can add a lot more value to your wooden crate simply by transforming it into something which can be gifted or given at a special occasion. Take this champagne wooden crate, it would make a perfect birthday gift. And don't forget to check out Earth's largest collection of 16,000 woodworking projects by clicking the first link in our description. If you like the video, then make sure to hit that like button. Also, if you want more woodworking tutorials, please consider subscribing our channel for more contents every day. Thank you for watching, and let me know what you think of this video in the comments below.